Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the newly updated Tabs feature, which enables you to open multiple pages at once and extract the information you need. Go to the listing page where the products or posts you want to scrape are listed. Open Listly's browser extension and click Open Tabs in the Tabs section. Then, a settings window will appear where you can configure options for opening browser tabs. If you set the shortcut key to A, you can open tabs by pressing A and dragging across the area to open. The delay time means the interval between each tab opening. For pages with larger amounts of data, I'd recommend setting a longer delay. Once you've configured your settings, save them, and that's it. Now, while holding down your shortcut key, drag across the area containing the links you want to open. Then, hit the Open button, and that will open each page in a tab automatically. Once all tabs are open, hold down the Shift key and click on the first and last tabs to select and separate them from the rest that do not have the matching page layout. Then, go to the first tab, click the Parts button in the Tabs section, and select the elements you want to extract. Click Run Tabs Part to begin scraping. Tabs that have identical data patterns will be automatically detected and organized in a folder with just one click. Lastly, select the tab to extract and save your data to either Excel or Google Sheets, which works the same as the existing Tabs feature. For those familiar with Listly's group extraction feature, you might be wondering how Tabs is different from group extraction. Both features extract data from multiple web pages at once, but they're designed for different purposes. As shown in the illustration, group extraction uses the Listly bot to visit URLs that you enter and complete extraction tasks for you, whereas Tabs lets you access and extract data directly from web pages on your computer. In a nutshell, if you need to collect data from numerous pages or automate recurring scraping jobs, group extraction works best. Otherwise, for smaller scraping tasks that don't require repeated collection, Tabs is recommended. Check out the table for more details. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.